In this lecture, I'd like to provide you an overview of the course. That's right, we're going to be covering what you're going to be learning in this course should you decide to take it, which I hope you do. First, let's discuss what is WordPress. WordPress is a web-based web design and development tool. WordPress is free, as are many of the plugins, which are software extensions, and themes, which defines the look and feel or the layout of a page. WordPress hosting is not free, however, and premium themes and plugins can cost $100 or more, so be prepared to spend some money to host a WordPress website. WordPress is the basis for several popular web platforms, such as the free WooCommerce plugin, which allows you to set up a commerce site, and the expensive $129 Sensei online training plugin, also from Woo Themes. WordPress makes it easy to install and maintain your website yourself. So rather than paying somebody else, you can do it yourself, because it really is that easy. WordPress can also be used to maintain your blog, incidentally. Now, what this course covers. This course explains how to set up a simple website, such as one documenting your personal achievements, including WordPress installation and configuration, installing the responsive theme, building a website, creating and configuring pages and posts, and upgrading to the responsive 2 theme. What this course does not cover, this is not a course about blogging. The fact that WordPress can maintain a blog is convenient, but it's incidental to the task of building a website. And this is not a course about how to develop and edit WordPress themes or plugins. This is a basic introductory course on how to install a WordPress-based website. This is not a course about setting up an e-commerce website either. I don't get into that. This is just the basics. So, how is this course implemented? Well, this course begins with a couple slide presentations, such as what you're watching right now. The rest of the course is nothing but screencasts of me using WordPress to install a website, just like this. Here I am at our WordPress site that we're going to be working on installing, and I'm going to go to the dashboard and begin working on it. Here we can see the main dashboard for the site, and I can go to all pages and go and edit any of the several pages that we've set up to define this website. This is what you're going to be seeing primarily during this course presentation, is me using WordPress to install a website. How you should take this course. What I recommend is that you should watch the entire course once through before attempting to build a web page. The reason that I suggest you watch the entire thing is that I swap in another theme. You might alternately want to install the responsive 2 theme directly rather than upgrading from the responsive theme, as you would do if you followed the course. Watch the course once through and you'll understand what I'm talking about, and then you decide how you want to go about installing your website. Heck, you might even want to pick a completely different theme. Go out there and hunt and search and find the theme that defines you. You should then replay the course a second time, pausing to actually perform the actions to explain to actually build your website. Then repeat portions of the course as required to fully grasp the concepts being explained. Now, who should take this course? Basically anyone looking to implement a personal website simply and easily. WordPress is the way to do it. The course requirements? You need to have a web browser. I use Chrome running on a Windows PC. That's what I'm going to be demonstrating during this presentation. And you need about $40 to $50 to buy website hosting and a domain name for a year. That's all you need. Now, a word of caution, primarily about me. I use WordPress every day of my life. I use it to maintain my personal website and my wife's website, and several other websites as well. I don't install WordPress often or shop for hosting for hundreds of websites. I just have a handful of websites and I maintain most of them at one place that I'm going to recommend you host yours at. Now, I don't know if this is the best place out there, and I'm not a WordPress guru who is running thousands of websites, so I'm looking for the greatest price on web hosting. I just know that I run stable websites, and I'm going to tell you how to do it too. I like to keep things simple. In fact, I'm going to recommend buying your web hosting and domain name from the same company so you don't have to mess around with named servers and all that stuff. I wouldn't consider myself to be a WordPress professional, but after developing web pages for literally decades, let's just say that I know my way around. So, if you're ready to implement your website, I'm ready to take you to it. So why not come along with me on the journey?